Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make our favorite Leche Flan. So this is also my husband's favorite dessert. I also want to thank all my new subscribers. Okay, I'm going to use 3 llaneras. I bought this llaneras at Phil Stop. It comes with a lid. So I really love it. So the ingredients for my flan is of course 12 egg yolks. We are also going to use sugar to caramelize it later. So let's go ahead and put a little sugar. So we are going to caramelize our sugar. Okay, you see a little brown part right there? We're going to keep stirring it. Remember to keep stirring it and cook it over low fire heat. Okay, now it's completely melted. We are going to go ahead and transfer this to our llanera. So right now it's already caramelized and I don't put too much of the sugar. We're just going to leave it for a couple minutes or until it's completely cold. And then we're going to add in our evaporated milk. And then we're going to add in our condensed milk. And then we're going to add our vanilla extract. Okay, this will do it. I love to use this for making my flan because it's easier to transfer it to my llaneras. We are also going to use a strainer, so we're going to strain the mixture. So now it's completely cold. We are going to put our leche flan mixture. You guys can see I put it in this container because it's easier for me to transfer it, so I don't need to scoop it. So we're just going to transfer it right now. That's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and check it with a fork to make sure it's cooked. This is perfect. We're gonna scrape the side like this. Okay, are you guys ready? So, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoy watching my video, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Thank you very much. Bye!